Jackson. You can call me Beach Boy. Revolvers on the stereo, McCartney and the boys. London town, show 'em how, break it down, down, down. Feeling so high and I'm privy to.
Ang nasa profile ko kasi, I love reading books. So, there's this one girl sa Starbucks na nagbabasa ng book.
Tapos pagpasok ko ng Starbucks, may isang girl doon na nagsosolo sa table. Puro libro yun. Nagtanong ako. Hindi pala siya silisil. Iba pala.
Symptomatic of ecstatic and super.
Bye-bye! I'm here!
Can't be destroyed. So let the day and night, the day is so tight. Feeling so high and I'm privy to.
Hindi, lagi niya ako iniinis eh. Yun, ganun. Mapang-inis. Oo. Yung alam niyang maiinis ako, kaya iinis ko niya.
Mabait, maganda. Masungit, mataray. Parang pitbull mukha.
When you're ready to fly, I'm ready to run.
Anong dami na to? Seryoso, hindi natin to? Awan! Wow!
Feeling so high and I'm privy to the notion. Motion. Here we are, we found the day like we'd always prayed. What I see, the future brings.
My dearest John,
You and me
Love
one
ko.
day.
Exactly a year ago, we exchanged our I do's and promised to be one. Isang taon na puno ng adventures and blessings. And our family ang greatest blessing sa akin ni Lord. You and Sebi made my life complete.
And our Father spoken, and this life we've chosen will help us follow your.
Lizelle, nagpapasalamat ako sa Panginoon sa pagsagot niya sa mga panalangin ko. At ito ay ang pagtayo ngayon dito sa harap ng altar. Nakasama ka. Salamat sa 6 na taon na pagsasama na ngayon malapit na maging 7 taon at ngayon magiging habang buhay na pagsasama.
Heaven made your hand to complement my hand, like heaven made my heart.
Lizelle, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
John Arnold, did you come here of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your wife?
Yes, Father.
God has to be on top. He is the source of love. God has to be in the middle. He is the one that binds you together. But He must also be the firm foundation. Just like the love of the Lord, you will try your very, very best to be faithful to one another.
And our Father spoken, and this life we've chosen will help us follow your plan. And I can't profess that I understand it, but I see.
We were basically two opposite individuals in two different worlds without a single friend in common. At naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo.
Like we'd always pray.
Actually, medyo mahirap kasi ako lang nandito, nasa barko siya eh. Kaya, long distance lang din yung usapan. Pero so far, so good naman. Tiwala lang. Tsaka, communication. lang din yung key namin. Everyday kami nag-uusap. Hindi namin pinapalagpas yung isang araw na hindi kami mag-uusap.
Bab ko, dumating man ang panahon na tayo'y tumanda at magkauban na. Pangako ko sa'yo, nandito lang ako sa tabi mo. Ipapaalala na meron nag-iisang Jambe na nagmamahal, minamahal at mahal na mahal ka.
And today, for the second time around, I choose you to be my husband. I vow to love you on your brightest days and even love you more on your darkest. I love you always. Zay. Thank you po sa lahat for raising me to be like this. Thank you so much. Mahal ko po kayo.
Bab ko, ikaw ang biyaya sa akin ng may kapal ng buong buhay kang itataas at ipagpapasalamat sa Kanya. Mahal na mahal kita, Lucel.